So you've got your eyes set on that new PrismCut from US Cutter. You've done your research. You know the benefits. You know you need it. You're convinced. But your spouse, business partner, boss, etc., they're a little more skeptical. Not to fear, US Cutter is here to guide you through the tricky and all too familiar challenge of justifying your purchase with 5 simple steps. Step 1. Face to face. How easy is it to shut someone out if they send an email or a text? No is one of the easiest things for us to say. It shuts down the conversation, tunes people out. Whether you're talking with your spouse, significant other, partner, or boss, it's always easier to get a yes when you ask in person. So put the phone down and pitch in person.
Ooh, this PrismCut looks fancy. I wonder if my wife would be okay with me buying this. I'm gonna shoot her a text. Hi honey, have you seen the new PrismCut from US Cutter?
Step 2. Know your audience. You could be talking with your spouse, your boss, business partner, or any number of audiences. Luckily, if you know who you're talking to, you know how to prepare. Maybe numbers will make a more compelling case. Be ready for the pitch on performance increase potential. Maybe the possibilities will sell more. Look up all the inspirational ideas that your PrismCut offers.
According to my calculations, family fun!
Step 3. The power of us. Emphasize the benefit it offers the family or group. Not just why you want it, but why everyone needs it. Think about the opportunities that opens for creative projects for the family, business opportunities, or the various other advantages that they bring not just you, but everyone. Once they agree or are close to it, make sure you phrase the idea like you thought of it together.
Look, I need the PrismCut. I need the wireless capability. I need the precision. I need the contour cutting. I need the cool lights that light up when the thing runs. I need the PrismCut. Look, we need the PrismCut. We could do a lot more projects as a family. It would look great in our office. We could do more craft projects together. There are so many things that we could do with the precision of this machine.
Step 4. Flipping the script. So they're not sold? Sometimes, when there's too many positives to something, it can be hard to pick the ones that will be the most persuasive. We get it. Well, let's flip the script and ask what their reasons against the upgrade are.
Yes, you're right. We already do have another cutter, but we should get this too, and we can double our production. And with this precision, we can cut out little tiny letters for cute little family projects. Look, I've told you all the reasons why we should get this. There's really no reason not to.
Step 5. Keep it positive. A positive, upbeat, and can-do attitude is always harder to say no to. Focus on the positives, the opportunities, and the silver linings.
We can't expand our business without this, and we're never going to get the same functionality with another cutter. The PrismCut opens up a whole new world of precision and functionality. Think of all the things that we can do with the PrismCut now that we have this level of precision, this level of performance.
Keeping these steps and practices in mind will give you the best chance of getting buy-in, justifying your purchase, and starting off 2020 on the right foot with you and everyone else around you. In all seriousness, you never know till you know, so don't be afraid to ask the question. Just be prepared going in and give yourself the best chance of getting the response you want.